Let's start with something very, very simple. I will not tell you today that financial services industry are very advanced in agentic AI because it's simply not the truth. But yet, the industry is moving very fast. Probably on the stage here, on the room today, a lot of people around here are still working on an agentic program. You are probably testing some approaches. Even better, some top actors in the industry have actually captured real value with AI and Gen AI project. When I mean real value, it means real impact on the P&L, top line or cost to serve. But still, MIT reminds us a very, very hard truth. Only 5% of AI, Gen AI projects succeed to capture the expected value. So the question is very simple. How can we improve this 5%? How can we improve the value of AI and Gen AI project within the industry? The simplest answer here is the 4 Ps. Not the 4 Ps of marketing, but the 4 Ps in, let's say, in AI. The first one is obvious, process. Second one is obvious, you can even guess, is people. The third one is platform. And the fourth one is, any idea? Positioning. Let me deep dive 1 minute on each of them. Process, it's saving 5 minutes on the KYC, on a call summary, it's good. It's good for adoption, but at the end of the day, there won't be any impact on your P&L, on your cost to serve or top line. The real value will come when you will reshape your process from front to back, right? And there is no creativity, no originality finding the right process. Let's take an example in retail banking. You can be a neobank, you can be a more traditional bank. At the end of the day, all of you are working on the same processes. Fraud, KYC, customer relationship, succession, credit granting, name it. The differences is not the process you pick, but it's how deep you transform it. 2, people. You probably have seen on LinkedIn this sentence, you won't be replaced by AI, but someone using AI will replace you, with like a very convincing voice. I think it's not the question at all. I think the real question is the separation between what humans do and what AI do. And of course, in your industry, a lot of tasks will be automated, for sure. But for me, there's 2 main consequences in terms of people. The first one is train your people, not only exec, but also your people. And the industry is probably very advanced in this topic. And 2, try to invent the new job of tomorrow and actually of today. If we look at the most advanced player in the sector, they have already created these new jobs. Some examples, AI catalyst, people who can bridge the gap between the tech and the business, or business process owner and not product owner, people who is able to reinvent the entire workflows. 3, platform. Let's imagine that on your team, every team member builds 10 agents. So at the end of the day, overnight, you will have like hundreds of, let's say, new agents. It's like hiring hundreds of people without telling anything to HR. So without guardrails, without standard, without safety, without rules, I mean, it's like having hundreds of rogue agents. It's chaos. So that's the reason why you need to have a proper operating system and a platform to make sure that this is everything under control. And the fourth one is positioning. Let's open a little bit the lens here. Some facts. Conversation rates from ChatGPT are more or less twice higher than from Google. a little bit less than 10% of all search now is on ChatGPT-like tools. You can even now buy directly on ChatGPT in some country with instant payments. So what does it mean? It means that the customer, the journey of your client won't start in your app or in your website. It means that you will lose probably a part of the knowledge you have on your data. So the question is here, how, as a bank or as an insurance, you position yourself when the AI layer sits between you and your customer? It's a very strategic question. I don't have the answer here, but it's a very strategic question for you. So, people, process, platform, and positioning. Thank you very much. I hope you will have a nice 2 days with us. Have a good day.